Oh, great. Thank you. My pleasure. Oh. Bye. Wow!
Smells pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Hey! No pizza? Aww, what a rotten trick.
Julie.
It's just so tragic.
Let's get on with it, shall we? At least we have this nice box. No pizza? No problem. I've got something way better on the way. See? Open it.
Huh? Oh, wow!
You're missing your bow. See? This is totally TikTok-worthy. Say cheese! Yes! Wow! Check it out!
Ooh, I love it!
Wait, it's the 16th! Mom's birthday! Julie, it's already the 16th!
Oh my gosh! Let's go! We've got some baking to do!
Huh?
Operation Birthday Cake is about to go down! Starting with the flour. Lots of it!
Okay. Flour's coming right up.
Hey! Stop! What a mess! No! Not the eggs! Wait! Oh no! Have you ever been in a kitchen? You follow rules, not that!
I'm just trying to help. I'll stick to my cardboard then.
Hey! What on earth is this? Actually, it's good. Cardboard is about to save the day. Well, hot glue too, of course. Just one more. There. See this corner? It's gotta go. Nice. Then slide this piece in here. Plus one more. Anyone order a perfect circle? This thing is just the tool for the job. Cut, please. You guys go right up top. And down here, a door is necessary. Then comes color. Can you tell what it is yet? I'll give you a hint. You can find one in your kitchen. And it definitely has this important piece. Wanna know why? Can't open the oven without it. And these turn on the stove. It's your very own oven. What's all this, sweetie?
Oh, it's for your birthday, Mom.
Oh, that's right. Time to make a wish. Oh, isn't that sweet? Thanks. What a nice surprise. This is delicious.
Just wait. Wait till you try my cake.
Thank you. Shall I try it? Not bad, son.
Yes! I've been coloring all day. Why can't I have a phone? Hey, gimme! But I'm bored. Come on, Julie! Mom!
What?
Julie's hogging her phone.
Because it's mine. Oh, can't you two share? Or maybe there's another way. Oh, I know. If your kiddo is too young for a real phone, you can make one out of paper. Gotta love pink. And the camera lenses, of course. Screen's done, but we need some protective material. This tape works perfectly. Gotta get both pieces. There. And to make it more realistic, put them together with this piece. Perfect! Stuff it too. And tape it shut. Pretty cool, huh? Now it's even better! See? Here.
No way! My own phone?
I guess that's cool. Have fun, kids! definitely gotta work on my manicure. Oh, you ready? Okay. Here's your next challenge.
Fingernails! Got it! Time to break out my manicure kit. Let's see, where do I want to start? Oh, these blue ones, I think. They'll match my outfit. Alright, time to start gluing these on. Yes, take a look at these. Challenge completed.
What? Ah, no. That's not what I meant at all. Wow, your nails are ridiculous.
I'm gonna use origami again.
I'll take this corner and fold it halfway down to the other edge. Then the other corner to have a triangle on top. Now for this corner too, for another triangle. And then the final corner too. Okay, now I've got to fold this up to the top. And then fold it across. Now I've got a full triangle. Good. Okay, I'll open it back up and then fold the corner down. I'll flip it down now too. And then I'll fold the last bit up. There's a lot of folding for this project. But I still want sharp creases, even though the paper is getting thicker. This is the tricky bit. I've kinda gotta pop this open and fold in the corner. But that's it! Look! I can slip my finger right in here! Ta-da! Check out these nails! Oh, creepy. Good job.
Why aren't my nails good enough?
You should have seen your face.
Whatever! You're too mean!
What do you think the next challenge will be? It's cranes. That's your next challenge.
I wonder how I can do this one.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure where to start.
Ooh! I know what I can do. I've got my earbuds. I'll just pop them into my ears. This will work. Time to start this playlist. Yeah, I feel this. This is definitely my jam. Time to get folding. I'll start with the usual corner to corner fold. And then the other corners too. Next up, the edge to edge fold. Crease it sharply and then open it back up. And then do the same with the other edge too. Okay, I've got to open it back up and then for something a little trickier. I've got to use the existing folds to make this triangle. Now I've got to fold this little edge to the new middle. Good, and then the other edge too. Then this top little corner has to come down, but then back up. Flip the whole thing over and do the same edge folds. Okay, back over to the front and open it up a bit. Another trickier fold here, but now it looks like a diamond. Okay, now more of those little edge folds. They're pretty small now too. Keep creasing though. What's next? Flipping it over and repeating, of course. I like this next step. It's a fun one. This little leg-looking part folds up now. And then this tip down. It's starting to come together. Using the scissors. This cat has to go all the way up to the middle. This wing comes down like this now. And the other one too. And then fold these little cut flaps like this. 1, 2, 3 folds. Yes, look! I made a little origami crane. So cute. Watch, he can do a little crane dance.
Okay. Oh, she's really into it again. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I've got my playlist going. Check it out.
Oh, wow, I get it now. This playlist is a bop. I guess I better get folding too.
Woo! Dance, little crane.
Yes, my crane's done and ready to dance too. Look at them go. They're dancing up a storm. What's going on over there? Where's that music coming from? Ooh, I feel like dancing too. Kinda bored now. Oh, the wizard guy's back. Let's see what he's got. Next challenge is a flower. Get to work. Okay, I think I know how to do this one. Hey, yeah, I'm hoping you can help me out. Thanks. Here you go. Please sign here. Ah, great. And here are your roses. Have a nice day. Wizard guy, I've got my roses. What? That's not what I meant at all. Come on. Okay, fine. Let me try something else instead. Alright, a little of this and some more over here.
And now for my scissors. Okay, I think that's it and I'm done. Ta-da!
What is that?
Looks like you failed a challenge again. Time for me to try something with my scissors. But first, more paper folding. Okay, let me use this ruler and a pencil to draw a line. Okay, now I'm ready to do some snipping. I'll just cut lines all the way up to the marked line. All the way from one end to another. Time to open it up. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Now to add some glue to this part down here. And then fold it over and secure it with the glue. Now I need a green straw and more glue. I'll put the glue all around this end of the straw. Alright, I'll add the straw to the paper. Just gotta keep rolling the paper onto the straw. Keep going, keep going, keep going! And now to do it again with another paper. This is turning out great! Yes, I'm done with my flower.
Ooh, I see what you did there. Nice job.
What?
Oh, I guess he's right. It is pretty cool.
Aw, she looks pretty sad. Hey, look! I made one for you too.
Ooh, a purple one. Thank you so much. You're such a good friend. Aw, their friendship is finally repaired. How would you make a boat out of paper? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.
Shall we? We shall! It's starting! It's starting! Not this move again. So not the vibe. Come on, join in! Oh yeah!
Alright, class. Hey! Stop that immediately! Turn it off!
We can explain.
Save it. Sit down.
Yes, ma'am. We're all ears. And totally bummed. Unless… I don't know. Just watch and learn. No phone, no problem. A few careful cuts are all it takes. Ready, set, hold! Funky, right? No way! Just watch. He's going down. Gotcha! That thing is awesome! I know, right?
Such creativity.
Hey! What's up? I'm pretty hungry. Me too. Thanks. Oh, what just happened? Oh, I guess my pocket was a little toasty. Whew. Okay. Hey, Mindy. Thirsty? I guess. Thank you. Oh no! My new dress! Today's gonna be different. Hey, these are for you. You like? Ugh! Yikes! Ugh. Blood?
Are you serious?
Totally. You can do this for me, okay?
Yeah, I got this. Don't stress.
Is she in there?
Yep, the time is now.
You got this! Hey, how are you?
Okay, take this.
Thank you. What's this? A love letter? Oh, you're the best!
Sorry, man.
Oh, I can't do anything right. But that changes right now. Mindy has to know how I feel about her. I hope she likes it. Wow, isn't it neat? Here goes nothing. Ooh. Hey! Hey! Howdy! I made you this. What is it? Wait for it. Just wait. My love is growing. Wow! Nailed it. This was from me, by the way. Thank goodness! Finally! Hey, Ryan. Check it out. A new phone? The newest. Ooh. Hang on to your seat, bro. This thing will knock your socks off.
Ugh, you weren't kidding! Wow!
Wait, let me borrow that.
My water bottle? No, don't do it!
No! My new phone! Ugh, I can't believe this!
That was rough, but maybe I can help. Let's go back just a minute. Before the phone fell to its untimely death. There. Stop!
What?
Trust me. Hope you're taking notes, cause this is a hack you'll definitely use. And you've likely got cardboard lying around, right? Okay, now turn it around here. And cover it with more blue paper. And your favorite stickers, obviously. But we can't forget about the back. Some popsicle sticks can do wonders. Just put them in on all the right spots. But these are arranged to be fully functional. See? Behold, a phone stand!
What?
You're gonna love this, trust me. Ta-da! You don't have to lean it on anything anymore. Just hit play.
Wow, this is a game changer!
Did you see her face?
It's a classic! Let's see.
Wait, I forgot to color in the balloon.
Man. What happened?
Look!
I'll show you how to fix this. All it takes is some tape.
Ooh.
Whew, it's awfully sticky. Oh no.
Wow! Look!
I'm kind of busy right now.
Look!
Come on.
Oh, she's sleeping.
So cute.
Right here, sweetie. See ya! Oh boy. Huh? Ooh.
Got it! I knew it was in there, see?
Nice. I know. Watch very closely. And next, see this little thing? Just stick the piece right here. Nice and snug. And she goes here. And then it's done. The perfect eraser keeper. Made by me for you.
Thank you. I'll keep it in here, safe and sound. Thank you.